beautiful people. It's day 5 and we're still in sprint 0. This is our prep sprint before we kick off our 12-week challenge. We want to ensure that we're ready to go and want to make sure that we have everything in play. And so for day 5, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be documenting our goals and our tactic, right? So day 1, you came up with your goal. Day 2, you figured out why it was important to you. Day 3, you listed out all your tactics and your strategy that will enable you to accomplish your goal. Day 4, you measured your goal to see whether, your goal was smart, whether it's something you can achieve in 12 weeks. And if not, I'm hoping that you took out the time to break it down into a much smaller goal. And today is day 5. We want to document our goals. We want to document our tactics. And it's very crucial that we document because we're beginning to build the system that we need to have in place to ensure that we achieve our goals. Now, there are so many systems that we can use. If you don't have, any specific system, you can have a book where you document these things, right? Now, if you're like me, where I like to have a book, but also I'm privileged to have so many online tools, I would recommend Trello for you. Trello is a free online tool where you're able to document, your goals, your tactics, and you're able to track them on a sprint by sprint basis. So if you want to learn more about Trello, just send me a message. I'll send you the link. I'll send you how to log in, how to document all of these things, the whole 9 years. I am invested in your success. So if you need help, signing up for this free tool, I'm your plug, and I'll ensure that you get that right out of the way. But it's important that we document. So if you're not tool person, it's fine. Get a book. Get a pen and document in that book, and make sure it's a new book because you're going to be documenting things on a week-by-week basis. So that's very important. But that's all we are doing today. And today marks the end of our first week, which is our sprint 0. So make sure that you do all of these things so that we are ready to kick off our first sprint. Okay? It's been an amazing week. Thank you so much for riding with me on this journey. And I cannot wait to see you in sprint 1 and day 1. Looking forward to an amazing time over the next 12 weeks. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.